Ready to unlock your freelancing potential with Toptal? First things first, let's get you logged in. Head over to the Toptal website on your preferred browser, then locate the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the homepage, and click it. Now, you'll be presented with the login fields. Enter the email address you used when creating your Toptal account. Double check for any typos. It's an easy mistake to make. Next, carefully type in your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so make sure you're using the right capitalization for added security. Consider using a password manager to generate and securely store strong, unique passwords. You may find a Remember Me button. Use it if this is your personal computer or device for faster access. Then, click the Login button. If the email and password match the ones in the platform database, you'll be logged in and redirected to your Toptal dashboard. Now, let's talk about security. To enhance the security of your account, consider setting up two-factor authentication or 2FA. You can usually find this option within your account settings, likely under a security tab. Enabling 2FA will require you to enter a code generated by a mobile authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, or via text message to your registered phone number, in addition to your password, which helps add an extra layer of protection to prevent any unauthorized access. What if you're experiencing issues? Don't worry, it happens if you've forgotten your password. Find and click the Forgot Password link, and follow the prompts to reset it. You'll likely need to provide your email address, and Toptal will guide you through the password reset process. In case of any other issues, Toptal's help center or support team are there to help. You can usually find a support link or contact information on the login page or within your account dashboard. Congratulations, you now have access to the platform. By following these steps and securing your account, you're one step closer to getting hired and succeeding as a freelancer on Toptal. Happy freelancing!